Week 1, Dr. Pearl here. So I'm looking for us to get off to a great start. We've got a lot to do this week, getting to know each other, getting to know a little bit more about employee metrics. We'll spend some time introducing each other, looking at some resumes, and then learning about some specific metrics and how they can be helpful and useful. So let's go ahead and take a look at the details.
For your reading assignments this week, you're going to be reading the entire employee matrix for managers. So this is a very thin book and it's a quick, easy read. And in fact, you really don't have to read each and every word. You can peruse the book, get an idea of what matrix are out there. These are not the only matrix. You'll be learning more throughout the course, but this will give you a good idea. And as you go through, highlight those that you think will be valuable. And of course, also read the group project, start to get your bearings and understanding of what is going to be expected of you. So as far as assignments, there is an activity, choosing the best visual presentation data. This is short, very informative. I think it'll help you make some nice connections between what you're visualizing and what you're trying to portray. There is, of course, the video discussion, and it's in the syllabus. Discussions due Wednesday. This is the only time discussion is due Wednesday. And then by Saturday, you are going to have 2 more discussions. One of them, we'll take a look at who the customers, the CEO, HR leadership will find value in the matrix that we're looking at, as well as we'll look at the challenges and benefits of using them. And then we're also going to do a little exercise with your resume, getting a little more familiar with your classmates, and also getting into that mind space of hiring and employees, which is going to be coming up in our next week or so. Of the discussions we have in this first week, only one is going to need to have credible resources, and that would be the discussion for the 4EE matrix. So before you delve into starting that post, be sure that you read the rubric and have viewed the announcement discussion post expectations. There are some key things that you want to remember. Your post should critically analyze, synthesize, and/or evaluate the topic. Summarizing the content is not enough. The post should have 2 credible sources. You want high quality research or high quality source, and you can get that information listed here or go ahead and listen to the announcement. As you respond to the discussion post, use the RISE feedback model. Remember to reflect, inquire, suggest, and elevate the conversation. And if appropriate, reference sources in your response too.
So there's a lot to do in this first week, but I know you're up for the challenge. So go ahead, get started, stay on top of things, and I will come back and see you again in week 2.